Hello everyone, welcome back to Samoyed Studios, and today we're going to do some beginner-friendly popsicle stick crafts for the holidays. To create the basic foundation of these crafts, I attached popsicle sticks together using Elmer's Glue All multi-purpose glue. To create a basic Christmas tree structure, I applied glue on the edges of the popsicle sticks and attached 3 together to create a triangular shape. For the snowflake, I put glue on the middle of each popsicle stick and stacked 4 together to create that shape. For the snowman, I glued multiple popsicle sticks side by side until I was happy with the shape, and then I applied 1 across the top to create the top hat. To make it easier on myself for cleanup, I decided to just use markers to color the crafts, but if I used paint, it would have looked a lot better. Now for decorating, you can use whatever you have on hand. I used pipe cleaners to decorate the tree. I also attached little beads to mimic ornaments. However, again, you can use whatever you have on hand. For the snowman, I just used markers to draw in the eyes, nose, and mouth. But again, if you have other supplies, you can always decorate it with your own creative imagination. You can also add ribbons to make it an ornament. However, I thought it was just a cute display on Elsa. Thank you for joining us on Samoyed Studios. Happy crafting from our family to yours.